Hello children, welcome to our channel VTutors. In our previous video, you saw that we discussed about the different tests which are conducted to check which component has carbohydrate, protein or fat. And in that we also used some chemicals to do the test. Now in our next topic which we are going to take up today is what do various nutrients do for our body. द न्यूट्रिएंट्स, जो भी हम न्यूट्रिएंट्स की बात अब तक हमने करी है, विच आर कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स, विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, व्हाट डू दे डू इन अवर बॉडी, उनकी हमें क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ती है. सो लेट अस सी. कार्बोहाइड्रेट मेनली प्रोवाइड एनर्जी टू अवर बॉडी. So you all know the difficult word spelling carbohydrate, you must have learnt it by now. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हमें एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करती है. तो जिस भी कंपोनेंट में, जो भी फूड हम खाते हैं, अगर उसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट है तो उसे खाने से हमें क्या मिलेगी? एनर्जी मिलेगी. फैट्स ऑल्सो गिव अस एनर्जी. जिस कंपोनेंट को हम खा रहे हैं अगर उसमें फैट है तो उससे भी हमें एनर्जी मिलेगी. इनफैक्ट फैट्स गिव मोर एनर्जी एज कंपेयर टू सेम अमाउंट ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. अगर हम 5 ग्राम कार्बोहाइड्रेट खा रहे हैं और 5 ग्राम ही फैट खा रहे हैं तो हमें 5 ग्राम फैट ज़्यादा एनर्जी देगी एज कंपेयर टू द 5 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. फूड containing fats and carbohydrates are also called energy giving food. So if the question is there, name the two energy giving food, the answer will be fats and carbohydrates. Proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. Growth of our body, you know, we all was kids earlier and now we all are growing up. We are getting height, we are getting build up, our skin is getting fine. So all this is done because of the presence of protein. So it gives growth and also it repairs our body. If at all there is any damage in our body, अगर हम प्रोटीन खाएंगे तो वो डैमेज भी ठीक हो जाएगा. सो वी शुड इंक्लूड प्रोटीन इन आवर बॉडी. तो ये सारे फूड हैं. द पिक्चर विच यू सी, these are some of the pictures given here where you find carbohydrates as the main source. Sugar cane, then maize माने भुट्टा, mangoes, melon, खरबूजे, and bajra, rice, wheat, all these are having good amount of carbohydrates to give in our body. Then papaya, sugarcane, obviously potato and sweet potato. So if you are eating these, अगर आपके प्लेट में ये सारी चीज़ें हैं और आप खा रहे हैं तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? एनर्जी मिलेगी. क्यों मिलेगी एनर्जी? क्योंकि इनके पास कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हैं. सिमिलरली अगर आप फैट खा रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द ऑयल्स विच आर यूज्ड फॉर कुकिंग, ये सभी ऑयल में फैट है. इसके अलावा अगर आप तिल खा रहे हैं, आमंड्स या ग्राउंड नट्स खा रहे हैं, ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ नट, दैट मीन्स यू आर गेटिंग good amount of fat and that will provide you with more energy as compared to carbohydrates. हमारा next picture देख लेते हैं. It is protein, the sources or the food which are rich in protein. Now okay, before that there are some fats which we get from plants also and some fat which we get from animal sources. So this picture tells you about the fat which is coming from plants and this picture tells us about the fat which we get from animals. So what are they? You all know: butter, ghee, milk, then cream, eggs, fish, meat, they all contain animal fat. So these things are very important to know. Whenever you are having your food on your plate, you should know what food you are eating and what does it contain. Now coming to the next part. Some more pictures are here. Let us see what do they say. Now sources of protein. You just came to know that proteins build up our body and also provide us growth. So let us see some of the proteins. सेम वे जैसे फैट हमें प्लांट से भी मिलता है और एनिमल से भी मिलता है, वैसे प्रोटीन्स भी हमें प्लांट से भी मिलते हैं और एनिमल सोर्सेस से भी मिलते हैं। तो कौन से हैं वो प्लांट सोर्सेस? ये रहे सारी दालें जितनी हैं, जितने लेग्यूम्स हैं, दालें हैं, उन सब में प्रोटीन रहता है। साथ ही सोयाबीन या नगेट्स जो आप खाते हो उसमें भी बहुत सारा प्रोटीन रहता है। अदर देन दैट, इफ़ यू आर ड्रिंकिंग मिल्क, मिल्क इज़ अ होल फूड, उसमें प्रोटीन्स भी है, फैट भी है, मिनरल्स भी है, सो इट्स सपोज टू बी द होल फूड। तो प्रोटीन तो मिल्क में है ही, साथ में एग्स में भी प्रोटीन है, पनीर और कॉटेज चीज़ इफ़ यू से उसमें भी बहुत सारा प्रोटीन है। देन फिश एंड मीट ऑल्सो कंटेन्स प्रोटीन. That is why proteins are called as body building food. As carbohydrates and fats are called as energy giving food, proteins are called as body building food. Now coming to vitamins. These vitamins protect our body from diseases. They help us in keeping our eyes, bone, teeth healthy. Vitamins are of different kinds, known by different names. Some are vitamin A, C, D, E, K. There are also a group of vitamin which are called as B complex, also B complex vitamins. Our body needs all types of vitamins. These vitamins protect our body from diseases. Fine. So they make our body disease free, and you get all these vitamins from fruits and vegetables. So let us see the sources or in the picture given here. Here, vitamin A, sources of vitamin A. All sorts of red vegetables and fruits, which are red in color, especially, they will contain vitamin A. Papaya, the ripe one, carrots, mangoes, they all are reddish in color. They'll have vitamin A. Milk and fish oil also has vitamin A. Then vitamin B is eyes, liver of animals. Then vitamin C is present in all sorts of citrus food. Citrus means खट्टे फ्रूट्स जो होते हैं, तो जिनमें थोड़ी सी खटास होती है, उन सब में विटामिन सी प्रेजेंट होता है. एंड इट विल बी अ सरप्राइज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू टू नो दैट ग्रीन चिलीज आर ऑल्सो हैविंग अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ vitamin C in them. Then coming to vitamin D sources, especially vitamin D we get from animal products and milk. Milk is also an animal product. So vitamin D has the main source which we get from animal products. Some more sources of vitamins are there here. Some more sources of minerals are there in this part. Let us first read what do all these vitamins do. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C helps the body to fight against many diseases. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Food that are rich in vitamins are shown here in the figure which we already discussed. So we have done about the different food items which contain carbohydrates, proteins and different types of vitamins. In my next video, we are going to start with the topic minerals and why are they needed in our body and how much amount do we need and where do we get them from, means what are the sources of these minerals. So thank you dear children and stay tuned.